Looking at this recorded test in front of you and just all of the lines of code and the constant duplication, I bet you already know the solution. I bet you know that all you have to do is take the duplicated lines of code and stick them inside of methods. If you place them inside of methods, they will allow us to reuse our code over and over again. So if you wanted to type in a username with these 3 lines of code, rather than copying and pasting them from test to test, now we just place them inside of a method. If you wanted to type in a password, rather than constantly copying and pasting these 3 lines of code, we just place them inside of a method. And obviously that's the purpose of methods. They allow us to reuse our code and decrease maintenance, because when something changes, like a locator for that method, all we have to do is go to a single place and update it there, and now all of our tests are going to be easily updated. With all of that said, and the knowing that you need to replace everything with methods, that kind of brings us to our next level of automated functional testing, and that's known as keyword-driven testing. Basically, keyword-driven testing is utilizing a bunch of methods, also known as keywords, that we call in a specific order to perform a bunch of actions. Let me cover that more in the next section.